Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you these 3 super easy and quick hairstyles that you can do if you have shoulder length hair or maybe slightly longer than that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So for the first hairstyle, you're going to take a section out in the center using a comb, just like the way I have shown you. You just clip the rest of the hair away so it doesn't come in the way and you get a really nice twist. And then take a small section in the front first. Now while you are twisting the section in the front, you are going to start twisting the rest of the hair as well. Now we are starting with a small section in the front is because you will get a really nice neat twist starting from the hairline, and this way the twist and the hairstyle is going to show up a lot better. Now repeat the same thing on 2 more sections on each side. I suggest you use a comb and section it out first because that's going to make it very simple for you. Always start with a small section in the front instead of taking the entire section and twisting it. You will actually notice that if you do this, your twist is starting exactly from the hairline and the hairstyle looks so much better. I actually love how this looks because this actually looks like you've done a fishtail braid on the top but you haven't. And in order to get something like this, just make sure that you are absolutely close to the hairline and your sections are really nice and tight. I remember I had done this a couple of days back at a party and people actually thought that it was a tight fishtail braid on the top, and I had to tell them that it was just 3 twists and I actually created this in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, that is it. Try this out and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Okay, so for the second one, you're going to start taking a parting from the arch of your eyebrows. Use your fingers and just part the hair and take it very naturally and loosely towards the back. Now what you're going to do is, it's super simple. You're going to take the hair and you're going to start twisting it inwards. You have to just keep twisting this inwards and make sure that your section is really tight. And that's how easy it is. It's actually like a trick or a hack to achieve this sort of a hairstyle. Absolutely perfect if you are going for a meeting, for work, for a formal occasion. You can do this every day. It keeps your hair away. It looks super nice from the back. Now for the third one, you're going to take a natural side parting and start twisting a small section of hair from the front. Keep twisting that and start adding a little bit of hair into the twist and keep twisting it towards the back. I'm going to leave a little bit of hair from the hairline right next to the ear because I'm going to do something different later on. I am going to take it towards the back and secure it, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take the rest of my hair into a ponytail. But before I can secure the ponytail into a rubber band, I'm randomly picking out sections and just taking it towards the back because I wanted a very sort of a loose and easy finish around my face. And then secure that into a ponytail and then wrap a small section of hair around the rubber band. And that is it for the third hairstyle. Again, this is super quick, super easy. It complements medium length of hair. Even short hair people can do this. All of these hairstyles are absolutely great for school, college work or for daily wear. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification bell and I'll see you all soon. Bye.